Okay.
Let me get over here.
Chubbs, where'd you go? Chubbs. Come on. Come on, Chubbs. Come on, Chubbs. Hey, Chubbs. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on.
Pull that house up.
Well, I can't pull it out. It's okay. Let go. Let go. Let go. Say hello, Chubbs.
You got her too close to the camera. Now.
Jake, get down. Jacob, don't eat her. Well, she's asleep. Ew, she pissed on me.
I'll let you wash your hands.
Oh, she's asleep. I knocked her out.
She is alright, ain't she?
Yeah. She's asleep.
She got her eye open. One eye open.
No, she don't. She's asleep.
Alright, put her away.
Chubbs.
Hell, she took the fun out of it.
Chubbs.
She didn't die, did she?
I don't know where. There she is.
She's still playing sleep. Will you leave her alone?
Go ahead and sniff her ass, Jake.
Alright, so I'm done with her. Hey, AJ, what you doing? Yeah, come on.
Yeah, she woke up.
Faking. AJ, what you doing? Boo-boo. You wait, Jacob, your turn.
Boo says no.
Jacob's on video. Oh, hey, hey. Boo-boo.
Come here, boo. Come on, boo.
Hey, boo-boo. Oh. Catch him.
Hey, you ain't give me enough camera time. Hi. And hi to you too.
Hello.
Hey, Jake. Jake. Jacob. Jacob, a pretty boy. Yeah, he's sitting all pretty. Yeah. He's sitting all pretty. What you doing, boo? Where you going, boo? Where you going? You're making me dizzy. Hey, AJ, what's up? Pretty boy. Chubbs already went back to bed. Hey, boo. Devil. Don't say that. No, he's asleep. I don't have him. I promise. Yes? Ah! Don't put your mouth on the camera, you silly goose. You messed it up. I think you messed it up. You got it wet. Hey! Watch it. Yeah, watch it. Where are you hiding, boo-boo? Booster, come here. Oh, him looking at his nana. Move, Jake, come on. Come here. Yeah. You don't want me to quit. He's just watching you. AJ's sitting there being a good boy for once. What are you thinking about getting into, Jake? Huh? What's up, Jacob? He likes being videotaped. You're thinking of something to get into, aren't you? Oh, don't hang your head down.
A good boy.
A good boy. A good boy. glad you can join us. Nana's not going to... You don't have to be scared of that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up, baby.
We know you don't like paper. They won't do nothing when you want them to. Yeah, y'all won't do nothing silly.
Maybe it's some good ones gonna send it.
America's Funniest Videos. And then we had to go all the way out there.
Well, quiet. You know that ain't gonna happen.
Oh, yeah. What's the matter, Jake? We're being a good boy? It was being a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Okay, Mom won't quit. Y'all are so worried that you're going to miss out on something to eat or something. You're not getting anything unless you want cough medicine. You're not going to get a thing, Jake. I'm so worried that you're going to give him a COKIE.
Well, they ain't, so.
Y'all are boring. Standing around. Go do something goofy. Go play. Are you gonna go play? Huh? Oh, you gonna play with the pot holder? Well, do something goofy. Any other time y'all would. Jake, Jacob. He's like, will you please quit? Oh, here he comes. Let's see what he does. Nana doesn't have anything for you.
This would be good to keep. Stuffy.
Candy.
Yep.
What'd you do? Wake your head? Oh, scared of spoons? Yeah, you hear that, don't you?
That was a little helper.
Yep.
Big helper.
He's got his head on your arm. Are you helping Nana? Smells good, don't it? Oh. You better not give Nana my sugars. I'll get you go. You sit so funny. What's up with the way you're sitting? Look how he's sitting. It's so funny. Whoa!
Put your camera down.
Okay. Turn